Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then go to the language and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard, and here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type. As you can see, it's pretty big. Let's select, for example, Georgian language, and then tap done. And now let's try to write something in Georgian language, and as you can see, now I have Georgian keyboard here on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.